What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on not the FRS today, but we're still going to work on the Scion. It's my friend Toa's Scion TC. She really liked my LEDs that I got, so she picked herself up some from Op 7, and we're going to do the interior, we're going to do the license plate lights, and I don't know what else is in here, but let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, it comes with a bunch of LEDs. I think there's about 6 packages of these. So the first one we're going to do is the interior light up here. So what you want to do is you just want to take like a screwdriver, like right here, and just pry down just a little bit and let it drop. And then as you can, alright, so as you can see, there's 3 bulbs. I want to say they are just like 194 bulbs. So let's get those out and put the new ones in. Alright, so here's the first 194 bulb. Honestly, the packaging is really nice. So you basically just want to put it up right. And what you want to do, you just want to make sure it works. So we're good to go on that one. So we're just going to put all these in, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, so this is a common problem like with like LEDs. I put this one in and it doesn't work, so you just want to flip it and then it works. So now all of them work, they look great, definitely light everything up. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the back and we're gonna install the license plate lights. Alright, so now that we're in the back, to get the license plate lights, you want to remove these 2 covers. Just take a flathead screwdriver, just pry it, and as you can see, it's right there. So and basically it should just twist. Alright, so now that we got the new LEDs in, let's just make sure that they work. You just want to turn it on, the parking lights, and as you can tell, they're good to go. So the kit came with other ones, so I don't know what they really go to, but I noticed that there's a light here, so I'm thinking it's gotta have one of those. So alright, as you can see, I did find a bulb for the trunk light. It actually brightens it up pretty well. Alright, so there's another dome light in here, so I'm just gonna take the screwdriver, pop it out, and then we should be done. Alright, so we got that in. Just a friendly reminder, when you're actually taking these out, make sure you turn it off, because it does actually get hot and it will burn your finger like it did with mine. I think that's all the lights we got to do today. I just got to replace a fog light bulb, but you know. Alright, so now that everything's complete, hope you guys liked this video. I'm just waiting on parts for the FRS right now, so hope you guys liked this video, hope it's helpful. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.